When dissimilar metals are put into a solution like salt water and they're close to each other, they can actually eat each other. That process can be sped up by having stray electricity in the water or in the bilge, or if you have a grounding or bonding issue. Without getting too in the weeds, I just want to show some examples. So this is a propeller that was on a boat, and we put sacrificial metal on the boat. It's called a sacrificial anode. A lot of times it's on the propeller shaft, and that's what we rate every month. Every boat that sits in the water in salt water has raw pieces of zinc or aluminum. We mainly use zinc on the metal parts of the boat that protect it, because they get sacrificed first, so the metal on the main working parts of the boat do not. So this is a propeller that started being completely eaten away. The corrosion issue was so bad before we serviced it. So when we first started servicing it, we noted how bad it was. We noted that the propeller was already brittle from not being zinced up properly for probably several years at this point, and he needed a new propeller. We got a new propeller on there for him in the water. He didn't have to haul out, and we went on. This is an example of a propeller where it was probably a slow leak, but you know, he didn't have pitting in the ends of his blades, but he ran aground. He asked us to pull the propeller off, take it to the propeller shop, get it fixed, and put it back on there for him. And as soon as I pulled it out and could see it in daylight, I saw that it had a pink hue. Sometimes we can see that underwater as well, and we'll make note of it. That pink hue means that some of the alloy in the metal, even though not the metal ends or the tips itself, has been leached out of the propeller, out of the alloy, and that means that this is not as strong as it was originally designed to be. And when that happens, as soon as the propeller shop heated this back up or tried to bend this back in place, these were going to snap like tortilla chips because it had that pink hue in the metal. We look out for that. We want to be your eyes and ears underwater. We want to make sure we're looking out for you.